perspective, we need to have Microsoft 365 in our system. Okay, so we run Word doc on Microsoft 365. Okay, so first step is same as we have done in PDF. We have to download the Word document from the drive or from the platform where it, it is provided. Okay. After downloading the Word doc, we open the Word doc and check for the accessibility checker. Okay. So basically, why Word accessibility is important. It is same as we have discussed in PDF. So word accessibility is important so that it can be accessible to all the users. Okay. So it mostly used for educational content, reports, assignment, and training material. Okay. And with proper structure, screen, the user will get the correct information and able to perceive all the information present in the Word uh, doc. That's why it's important to a Word doc to be a accessible document. Okay. So the tools which we use in accessibility, Word accessibility testing are same. Okay. Only this main tool, which is Microsoft 365 Word we need. Okay. NVDA, JAWS, Microsoft Narrator, we use these speech viewers, color contrast for color contrast testing, and uh, automation tools gives some results, some errors, but it doesn't give all errors. Like manually, we have to check the reading order and a few more things, so that we cover manually only. Okay, so I'll show you. Uh, I'll stop.
Just a minute, Soumya. Guys, please
Okay.
don't stop the recording in between. If the recording is already working, don't click on stop recording. I'm just starting the recording again.
Okay, okay.
Continue, you continue, Soumya.
Okay, okay. So, guys, I'll share one Word doc with you, and I'll show you how to, what are the steps we follows and how to test it with reader. Okay. So, we have this one Word doc with us. In this, headings are there, lists are there, tables are there. Okay. So, then we will open it in Microsoft 365. Okay. After opening it in Microsoft 365, we will go to the review tab. In review tab, you will find the accessibility checker. Okay. So you need to click on this accessibility checker and wait for a few minutes. If any major issues are present in this Word doc, it will show here. So currently it's saying that it looks good and no issues found. Means there is no issue regarding color contrast, tables, document structure. Okay. So it doesn't give any issue. So we have to need to check this by screen reader or manually. Okay. So this is the first step. We open the Word doc and run the accessibility checker. After running accessibility checker, we will check the Word doc properties. Okay. uh, Yesterday I have told you, in PDF you will go to the document properties and check for the metadata and title and everything. Like this, we have to check titles and the metadata properties in the Word doc also. So for accessing Word doc properties, we will go to File section, and in this we have to go to Info section. Here you will get the title field. Okay, so title is important. Title should be present, and if required, tags and comments should also provided. if it requires. It's same as metadata. Like in PDF, we need metadata details if uh, client required it, like subject, author name, and those things. If client required, we need to mention these things, but title is important. Okay, title is the most important thing. So here you can see that title is already provided. Microsoft Office PowerPoint Chapter 4, customizing image illustration and themes. Okay, so this is related to our Word doc, which is correct. So we have to check, first we have to run accessibility checker, and then we have to check the Word doc properties. After that, we need to run our reader in reading mode. Never try to run reader in edit mode, because when you run reader in edit mode, maybe there's some modification happens when you use your shortcut keys, or when you navigate through the content. So always run reader in reading mode. Okay, so this is the read mode. You need to first go to the read mode and start your reader and go through all the content. Okay, so yes, one more step after activating uh, reader, basically NVDA, you need to uh, get the focus on the Word doc field by pressing insert plus space key. Okay, you need to activate the browse mode. Okay, so I'll run reader without activating browse mode and with activating browse mode. What happens when you didn't press insert plus space after activating reader? You will not able to use the shortcut keys. Okay, but when you click on insert plus space after activating the reader, you are able to activate content using shortcut keys. Okay, and you will get the correct information. I'll show you once. I'll just run reader.
Welcome to IP line 2021 line PPT line.
Okay, so till now I didn't press insert plus space key. Okay, I only activated the reader, and now I'll read document using control plus down arrow key. You will see that when I use shortcut key, it doesn't move to heading. Okay, let's see.
Heading level 1 power. Heading level this chapter code. Heading level 2 student learning.
Okay, it announcing heading, but when I use shortcut keys, like I'll press H, nothing happens. Okay, nothing happens. I'm pressing H, but nothing happens. Okay, I'm pressing P, but nothing happens. Now I'll activate browse mode. I'll press insert plus space bar and see what happens. Okay.
PowerPoint. Heading level. Heading level.
Okay. I have pressed space plus insert plus space key.
Page 1 section chapter Microsoft registered Office PowerPoint chapter heading level 1 PowerPoint
Okay.
10 dash chapter for customizing
Now
images.
I'll press H key.
Heading level 2 chapter overview. Heading level 2 student learning outcomes.
Okay, so you can see it moves heading to heading.
Table with 16 rows and 3 columns. Row.
By pressing a shortcut table key, it moves to table content. Okay.
Page 4 bullet shift reserves.
By clicking on L, list shortcut key, it moves to the list item. Okay. So you need to press insert plus space key after activating reader to use shortcut keys. Okay. So this is the whole point, and it's same. You need to navigate reader same you do on PDF, web. It's same. Okay, same shortcut keys you need to use, control down arrow key you need to use, and you will get all the content present in the document. Okay, so there are few limitation in Word doc accessibility. Okay, so what happens in Word doc, screen reader doesn't announce about list. Okay, you can go to list item by using shortcut key, but screen reader will not announce that list with 7 items present here, or list with 4 item present, uh, list out of list. This screen reader will not inform you. Okay, so these are few limitations present in the Word document accessibility testing. Okay, I'll show you. I'll run reader, and how you need to check that this is present in list or not. You need to go to the print layout mode, and you have to simply click here and check that it is present in list or not. So here you will see that list is selected. Okay, so when you click here, it doesn't select list, it's only selected paragraph. That means it is not in list, but this content is present in list. You will get to know here, from here only. Okay, with screen reader, you will not got information like list with 4 item present or 7 item present. You need, but you will get to navigate it using the shortcut key. Okay, I'll show you with reader.
Well, IP line to 4.2 work with page heading level 2 stu. After completing this chapter, comma, students will be a 4.1 draw shapes and draw with.
So here you can see screen reader will not announce it as list, but it will move
4 point smart art 4 point background 4
like
4
this.
check 4.7 create.
And when I press list shortcut key, it will move to the list next list item. Like I'll pressing L.
Page 4 bullet shift
Okay.
reserves height and width proportions dot. Not supported in this document. Page 6 bullet by default, comma,
Okay.
the width of a page 8 bullet align multiple objects and evenly distribute the page 9 bullet bring forward colon, moves the object up one layer at exit I.
So by using shortcut key, it moves list item to next list item, next new list item, but it will not announce about how many list items are there. Okay. Uh, for navigating table, it's same. You can use standard keys, Control Alt arrows key to navigate up down in column and rows. It's same. Okay, and it yesterday I have told you like in PDF we have tags, but in Word doc what we need to do, like for if you are you want to provide any headings. Okay, it doesn't depend on font length, or if font is bold it announce as heading. No, it doesn't depend on the look and feel. Okay, you need to go to the this style. Okay, here style are present. You need to go to this, and if you want to give this as a heading, okay, here you can see it is already as provided as h2. If it is provided as simply as paragraph, you need to select this, and from here you need to mention it as heading which you want to provide. Okay, so you need to use this style tag which is present in home. Okay, by this you can use provide heading. Okay, for list you need to simply use these bullet or numbered list from here. Okay, and for inserting table you need to go to insert, and properly you have to provide table. Okay, suppose here you can see it is provided as a table. When you click on this, here it will see, you will see that it is provided as a table, correctly tagged as a table, inserted as a table, and its headers are also provided. So you, after creating table, you need to also provide the headers. If you want to provide a row as a header, you need to check row this row header, or if you want to provide a column as a header, you need to select first column and banded columns. Okay, So that's how you will give create table and give headers to the table. And for list, I have simply mentioned that you need to select from here. And for headings, you need to provide from the style. Okay. And paragraph, you can simply uh, select it and you can simply uh, give it from the style. Okay. Normally, if you want to provide title, you can provide from here. Okay, right there. Normal. Normal is in paragraph. Okay. And in few cases, screen will read many blank in between the content in Word. So what happens for spacing purpose, in many Word, they use paragraphs here. Okay. Suppose if this paragraph is present multiple times below this 4.7 list item and above student data files, but those are blank. Only this tag is appearing, but it doesn't contain any content. So in that cases, it creates space between these two texts, but screen will announce blank, blank, blank. So for providing proper spacing, we need to adjust it uh, from here, margin. Okay. Uh, Line and paragraph spacing from here, you can uh, provide proper spacing, but don't use entering tab key for spacing or space key for spacing. Okay, it will create unnecessary announcement. So this is how you can tag any PDF, sorry, any Word document. Word document is very simple to tag. It's very simply you can tag. Okay. If there is any link present, that should simply you can simply provide link by clicking Control K and paste link and display content. You simply use that and it will good to go. Okay. So guys, if you have any query till now.
No, sir.
Okay. Mm, okay. If any image contained in a Word doc, simply you will get all information by screen reader. Let me show you if I have any PDF, any Word doc having images. I will show you. Okay. Suppose this is provided as image. So when you navigate using reader, it will provide all text information. And if you want to check if all text is provided or not, you can simply uh, right click on this and view all text from here. and you'll get all text information here. Okay. Mm. So this is how you can test images in a Word doc and its alternative text. Link I have already mentioned. For color contrast, same. You have to check color contrast by using color contrast or analyzer tool by simply selecting foreground and background color, and you will get the font size information from here. Okay, so this is of 12 point font size. Okay, it is not bold, so it is considered as a normal text. Okay, suppose this this is of 20 point and it is bold, so it is considered as a large text. Okay, so simply you will get the information from here, uh, that what font size of this text and what is its font style and it is in bold or not. We'll get all information in this home tab. Okay. Okay. So in this presentation, you will get one slide, and in that slide, you will get to know how to perform word accessibility testing. You need to run word accessibility checker. Word accessibility checker, it is present in review tab. In review tab, you will see this check accessibility, and here, after clicking on this, you will get all the information. If there is any error, it is present here. If there is no any error with accessibility checker, it says looks good, no issue found. After running accessibility checker, you need to check for the title, metadata, document properties. Okay. After that, you need to simply switch to the read mode and start reading document with screen reader. Okay. So this is all about word accessibility testing. Okay, so these are the common issues you will get in word accessibility testing: missing or incorrect heading style, incorrect heading hierarchy, list created manually. So basically, when list format is not selected and we use hyphen or 1 2 3 without selecting list, it is said to be list created manually, which is incorrect. Table used for layout, missing table row header, missing or incorrect alternative text, non-descriptive link text, missing document title or language. Okay. So language you can simply check here. When you click on any text here, you will get information like this content is present in which language. Okay. So when you click on any content, you will get information what language it is in. Okay. Uh, Missing document title or language, insufficient color contrast, information colored using color alone. So these are the common issues which we encounter in word accessibility testing. Okay. So that's all for word accessibility testing. Guys, if you have any doubt how we can navigate reader or what are the steps we follows or how these inbuilt style we use for heading and how to insert table or how to provide a image or if you have any query regarding any topic you can discuss, or if you have any queries or questions regarding yesterday's session you can also discuss those now.
Summer, can we get a recording of this yesterday's session as on duration?
Yes, sure. You will get the recording. Have this recording saved in your drive.
Okay, Farhan, you were absent yesterday?
Yes, I was on leave.
Okay, I will share with you.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Uh, okay. So Kavya, I guess no one have any query or anything to discuss.
Hmm.
So we can end this session here.
Okay, thanks, Soumya.